Have you ever wondered what the best AI tools for video editing in 2023 are? Well, let's dive right into it. First on our list is Synthesia. This remarkable tool allows you to create professional videos without the need for a camera or studio. You can even generate unique avatars and choose from a variety of languages and accents. It's like having your own personal cast of characters at your disposal. Next up, we have Lumen 5. This tool leverages AI to transform your scripts into visually appealing videos. It's perfect for those who want to create engaging social media content without spending hours on design and editing. Then there's Runway. This AI-powered tool provides an intuitive platform for creative editing. With features like object detection and semantic segmentation, you can manipulate videos with ease and precision. Raw Shorts is another gem. It offers an extensive library of templates, making it easy for you to create stunning explainer videos. It's all about simplicity and efficiency with Raw Shorts. Designs.ai is a comprehensive platform that not only allows you to edit videos but also create logos, produce graphics, and even generate voiceovers. It's a one-stop shop for all your creative needs. Adobe Premiere Pro with Adobe Sensei is a powerful combination. Adobe Sensei's AI capabilities enhance the already robust features of Adobe Premiere Pro, making tasks like auto-reframing and color matching a breeze. FlexClip is a user-friendly tool that allows you to create videos in minutes. It offers features like dynamic text animations and real-time previews. Elia is an AI video editing tool that provides smart recommendations based on your content, making the editing process smoother and more effective. Last but not least, we have Synthesis. This tool allows you to generate realistic voiceovers in a variety of languages, adding a professional touch to your videos. In summary, the best AI tools for video editing in 2023 are Synthesia, Lumen 5, Runway, Raw Shorts, Designs.ai, Adobe Premiere Pro with Adobe Sensei, FlexClip, Elia, and Synthesis. Each of these tools offers unique features that can enhance your video editing process, making it more efficient and effective. So, whether you're a seasoned video editor or just starting out, these tools can definitely elevate your video editing game. Thank you for watching our comprehensive guide on the top AI tools for video editing in 2023. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future content. We have a lot more exciting and insightful videos lined up, diving deeper into the world of video editing and beyond. So, stay tuned and keep exploring the realm of creativity with us. Until next time, happy editing!